Hey guys, today I will tell you about a tool that turns your simple video into cartoon style, anime style, Pixar style, and in other styles. This AI tool is totally free, and trust me, this is better than all video to anime free AI tools. So let's dive in. I have opened that tool, and this tool is called Morph Studio. In the tool, you will see this interface. Simply, you have to click on Get Started and continue with Google. I have logged in this website. You can see here many videos in different styles like cartoon, anime, and others. Now, after signing in this website, you have to simply on Create button. After that, this will ask you for the project name and aspect ratio. You can choose what you want. I will choose 16:9. Simply tap on Create button. Here you will see this interface. Simply close this, and here you can see many options like text to video, image to video, video style transfer, lip sync, and many styles. Now we are going to create a video in video style transfer. So click video style transfer button. Here you can enter your prompt and upload your video. So we will upload our video. My video is uploaded. After that, you can click here for generating video. But before clicking here, watch all the settings carefully. You will see your model and different styles for generating video like cartoon, anime, Pixar, comics, water, and many more styles. So we have generated our video in cartoon style. My video length is about 8 seconds, so this tool will take our 80 credits for 8-second video. This tool consumes 10 credits for each second, and it gives us 150 credits daily. Now I have 70 credits, so I will generate another video. In this video, I will try anime style. Now this video is generated also. I have generated this as videos in my all credits. Look at these videos. These are super consistent videos. Even face, background, and all things of these videos. The Morph Studio is totally free, and you can generate any video you want. You can also use a temporary mail for unlimited generations, so share this video as much as possible to your friends. Because I think this video was really helpful for you, but I don't know how did you get it, so do like this video and subscribe this channel to get more helpful content. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel for more updates.